Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can get rid of your watch it again or not on Netflix. But before we start our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will simply just dive into our video now. So to do so, what you will do is simply just go to your Netflix app, simply go there and you will choose an account. And once your Netflix is open, what you will do is simply go to this explore option over here. Simply go, and here you can see all of your, and here you can see this continue watching for your username over here. The listing the shows over here. So what you can do is, if you do not want this options given here, what you will do is simply tap on this three dot icon given there. Simply tap on it. You can say this remove from draw option below. Simply tap on that option over there. You can simply tap on this OK over here, and you can see that particular show is now gone from there. So yes everybody, this is how you can simply remove your watch it again option given by Netflix, saved by Netflix itself for your user. So yeah guys, this is how you can simply do it, and I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you have more concerns, do leave them in the comments below, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.